patient. Not everything you're praying for will happen overnight. But that doesn't mean God has forgotten you. No, He's working in silence. You can't see it yet, but He's building something greater than what you asked for. Every delay has a purpose. Every setback is preparing you for something bigger. Sometimes God slows you down to protect you from what you don't see. You wanted answers. He gave you time. You wanted a blessing. He gave you a test. Because you can't carry greatness if you're not ready. Be patient. Your time is coming. What's meant for you will never miss you. Keep your faith strong, even when your heart feels weak. When nothing makes sense, trust His plan.